The road to resilience, transforming driving anxiety into confidence. Embark on a comprehensive journey to understand and conquer driving anxiety. From initial lessons to confidently navigating the roads, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Driving anxiety isn't just about fear. It's a complex mix of emotions stemming from various concerns such as fear of accidents, anxiety over driving tests, or discomfort in traffic. It affects learners and seasoned drivers alike. This anxiety can originate from a number of places, including a failed test or a negative experience on the road. For some, it's tied to broader anxiety issues. Driving anxiety is often rooted in negative thinking. Fears like, I might make a mistake, or what if I have an accident, play a significant role in perpetuating anxiety around driving. Many respond by avoiding driving or relying on excessive safety behaviors, for example, driving far too slowly. While seemingly protective, these actions reinforce the anxiety, making it more challenging to overcome. This avoidance creates a cycle of anxiety. By shying away from driving or adopting excessive safety behaviors, you miss chances to learn that driving can be a safe, manageable activity. Managing driving fears starts with understanding your thoughts. Reflect on your worries and ask, are these fears based on facts or are they just assumptions? Replace overwhelming thoughts with more balanced, positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, I'll never be able to drive, remind yourself, many people learn to drive every day and with practice I can be one of them. It's about shifting your mindset to focus on possibilities rather than fears. Recognizing and building on your strengths in other areas of life is key to overcoming driving anxiety. Whether it's resilience in your career, creativity in problem solving, or determination in learning a new skill, these strengths are powerful tools. They remind you that you have the capability to face and conquer challenges, including those associated with driving. Resilience is about developing the mental and emotional strength to face and overcome driving challenges. It's built through repeated experiences, learning from setbacks and celebrating small victories. Each time you face your driving fears, you're building resilience, turning anxiety into confidence. Pair these strategies with gradual exposure to driving. Begin with short, manageable sessions and incrementally move to more complex driving scenarios. This systematic approach is critical in building driving proficiency and confidence. Guidance from a skilled driving instructor, a therapist, or both can be invaluable in overcoming driving anxiety. Your journey to overcoming driving anxiety is a testament to your resilience. With each step forward, you're not just learning to drive, but mastering the art of facing and conquering your fears. Thanks for watching.